Before we embark on the journey of updating your MikroTik router's operating system, it's crucial to understand the available options. MikroTik offers different RouterOS versions, each tailored to specific needs. So, let's take a moment to explore these options. Long-term or bug fix versions focus primarily on stability and addressing existing issues. These releases provide patches and updates to fix bugs and vulnerabilities in the system. They are ideal for environments where stability is critical, such as production networks. Stable or current versions strike a balance between stability and introducing new features. They include patches for bug fixes along with additions of new functionalities. They are suitable for users who want a stable system with access to new features. And finally, beta or release candidate versions are considered pre-releases or nightly builds that include the latest features and enhancements. These versions are still in testing and may have bugs. They are not suitable for critical production systems and are intended for users who want to test and explore the latest features. Now that we're familiar with the RouterOS versions, let's dive into the update process. Navigate to System, then Packages. Click on Check for Update, select the suitable version, and hit Download and Install. Your device will reboot, installing the latest version seamlessly. Alternatively, you have the option to manually upgrade your RouterOS by downloading it from the MikroTik website. To do this, you need to determine your router's architecture. You can find this information in System under Resources. In our case, it's MIPSB. Now head to the MikroTik website, navigate to Downloads, and download NPK file based on your router's architecture. Open MikroTik's files and upload the NPK file using a simple drag and drop from your Downloads folder. The file will be uploaded to your router's internal storage. Now all that's left is to reboot your router, and the RouterOS will be installed automatically. Let's navigate to System, then Packages, to confirm if our desired RouterOS was successfully installed. There's also the possibility to downgrade your RouterOS, although it's important to note that you can't downgrade it lower than the factory default version. To check this version, navigate to System and then Resources. Once you've determined the oldest version your router can support, head back to the MikroTik website, navigate to the Download Archive and select an older version of the RouterOS NPK file. Drag and drop the downloaded file into your router's internal storage. Next, go to System and then Packages. Hit Downgrade and then reboot your router. After the reboot, you can verify that the older version has been successfully installed. Now let's take a closer look at MikroTik System Packages. The main update package contains essential RouterOS functions that form the backbone of your router's capabilities. Let's refer to the table for a detailed breakdown of these core functions. These packages, including wireless, DHCP, routing, and more, provide the foundational features necessary for configuring and managing your network effectively. Moving on to extra packages. These modules offer additional functionality beyond the core RouterOS functions. You can think of them as optional add-ons that bring extra capabilities to your MikroTik router. These extra packages provide flexibility, allowing you to tailor your MikroTik router's functionality based on your specific needs. You can download additional modules from the MikroTik website to further enhance your router's capabilities. Now, let's explore how you can disable and enable modules on your MikroTik router. For this demonstration, we'll use the wireless module as an example. Currently, we have active wireless interfaces. First, head to System and then Packages. Select the wireless module and choose to disable it. The module is now scheduled for disabling. To complete this action, let's reboot our device. After the reboot, take note that the wireless interface has disappeared. This reflects the impact of disabling the wireless module. Now let's re-enable the wireless module. This demonstrates how you can dynamically manage modules on your MikroTik router, giving you control over the specific features you want active. Now let's break down MikroTik Router Firmware, also known as RouterBOOT. This firmware is responsible for initiating the startup process of RouterOS on router boards. It plays a crucial role in the overall functionality of your MikroTik device. Here's a key point to note. There are 2 copies of the firmware on each router board, main and backup. Backup firmware also can be updated with a special package, but it's not recommended. When you perform a RouterOS update, it also includes a copy of the firmware update. Both need to be installed for a comprehensive update of your MikroTik router. Let's go ahead and upgrade the firmware. Navigate to System and then RouterBOARD. Click on Upgrade. Confirm with Yes. And then reboot your router to finalize the firmware update. This ensures that main firmware is up to date, contributing to the optimal performance and stability of your MikroTik router. It's worth noting that MikroTik devices feature an auto-upgrade functionality. By designating and configuring a central router to collect the latest upgrade packages, it becomes the primary source for distributing updates to other routers on the network. This centralized approach ensures that all routers in the network consistently receive the latest packages.